Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will going to discuss about subnetting and its importance. Just being in IT, we think, okay, why we need to understand subnetting, why it's so important. But yes, that's you. It's having a lot of weightage in the field of cybersecurity. Definitely, because you are going to make your career in cybersecurity, you must understand it very well, and without it definitely you will face a lot of trouble every time when a network will comes in front of you, subnetting will come, or some other stuff when will come in front of you, will say, oh, what exactly does it mean? Okay, so you must understand. Clear? If you will see, there are four pictures in front of you. Clear? And what exactly these pictures are saying to you, what does it mean? In layman's style, we'll say, okay, we have a bigger space and we want to use that space in a wonderful way without wastage of the space, and we want to maintain the privacy. Clear? And if some trouble will come in specific area, that will not affect the other area. Understand? So just see here, uh, there are four different compartmentalization of building, you can say. So if there is a privacy between all of them, okay, and the maximum utilization of the space as well. And if some, for example, some mishappening will happen in this house, it will not affect the other one. Understand? Or some trouble will be in certain area, we will focus only on that, not all of them. So just to troubleshoot, our area of troubleshooting, scope of troubleshooting will be limited, okay, and it will save our time, energy and effort. Understand? Similar way you can see in the other picture, there are a lot of umbrellas on in a beach, so that privacy is maintained and people can enjoy on their area, so they are not bothered about what is happening on the other side. Similar way, in this picture you can see bigger space, lot of buildings are there, okay, and when something will happen, or some mishappenings will be there, it will not affect the other areas. Similar thing is also in case of subnetting. Let's just see here. This is for example, a example of a company, okay, which is having five different departments: management, finance, okay, quality, okay, HR and sales. And number of employees are into it. For example, in management 120, finance 70, quality is having 20, and HR 50, and sales is having 100 people. So that means we need that much of the hosts for their employees in certain departments. So we are having a big network. Now just we are logically dividing a big network into small subnets, and as per the number of devices we need into it. Okay, so this is okay, one of the things we want to use the our space into better way. Then what else other benefits of subnetting? If just take an scenario, you are having some servers which is providing certain tasks or certain resources to the specific department. Okay, for example, this is for management, this is for finance, and this is for quality and HR, okay, and this is for sales department. Certain applications are on it so that they can perform tasks, okay, and they are just going to store their data and to having access on certain servers only to specific department. Okay, so management department is having access only on this server, not to the finance one. understand. And for example, say quality is having the access only on this. For example, say let me just mark it 1 2 3 and 4. So quality and HR is having access on uh, the server number 3. Clear? For example, attackers perform an attack on sales. Okay, here is attacker and somehow he is able to come inside and perform attack on it, because we have different policies for different department having access right on different resources. So for example, attack on sales server, they just perform attack on it, but it will be difficult for perform an attack on another server, because we have separate uh, separate policies, separate rules, right of access those resources are different. Clear? And if something will happen on sales, some debugging is happening on it, or some sort of error message is coming from sales department, so we need to focus only on the network which is under sales, not all the, or not just to providing troubleshooting to all of the departments. This is saving our time. Network performance we can improve, we can assign certain bandwidth to the particular department, understand. So lot of benefits. What else can be the benefit in case of, if we say okay, in cyber security, what are the benefits of having subnets? On firewalls, on your IPS, IDS, we are using a lot of security devices, understand. So when we are saying okay, this is the finance department and this is on that network and we need to create a policy for it, so we just need to know how these subnets are working, understand. We need to give access, deny, restricted permissions, and we will give it to. And if certain exfiltration is happening from the particular network, we just come to know which device is the culprit or just under the control of the hackers and used by hackers remotely, and the credential compromise from certain departments, so we can just check it on the specific area, understand. So subnetting is very important in case of networking and in case of cyber security as well, and it's giving us a lot of power when we are even you can say scanning the network. Okay, so if you don't know what that does it mean /26 27 or 30, and then I always you will say, oh my god, I don't know what exactly it is, and again it will just a problem in front of your eyes if you not sort it out. Guys must learn subnet. Clear? And follow me on the cybersecurity page at the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members, so that they will be able to understand the importance of subnetting and why should they even get mastery over it, understand. And in the next session I'm just going to discuss about why host profiling is so crucial in cybersecurity. See you in the next session. Namaste.